Hello YouTubers. I ran into a problem the other day with my Milwaukee pole saw. I had dropped a tree on it and bent it. I could not find another replacement shaft to just replace it with. I've looked high and low on the interweb and couldn't find it. But I found a way to fix it. So what I found was I had the extension shaft right here. I took the end off of that. That takes a 6mm Allen to get that bolt loose. That's the only bolt you have to take off of that. In the end of the shaft, it has this ovular hole. This piece is slid down in with that locked in. So you just had to push down, slide this piece off. The difference between this shaft and this shaft is it did not have this hole in it. I took a 13/64 drill bit and it fit that hole, and I drilled a hole here the same distance, and that hole lines up with this end where it locks in on the Quik-Lok. The saw takes a type 25 Torx to put back together, and we put that in there. This is a little bit tricky, but not too bad. Even better when your stuff stays together. Just trying to line it up. This is about the hardest part of the whole deal right here. Getting this to line up. And there we go, she's lined up with the hole. We're going to tighten that one screw in the middle. That's the one that goes in the hole. And then we're going to tighten down these two clampers right here. I didn't even take them all the way out, I just backed them off so it'd allow it to slide out. Okay, so instead of buying a new power head at about 180 bucks, now I just have to buy a new extension shaft for about 60. And that is how I fixed my Milwaukee pole saw when I bent it. Now I'll show you here. You look in the other end. Can you see in the end of that drive shaft, son?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Do you see it turning?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So hopefully if you run into the same problem I run into, you can fix it. It's not too hard. It only took me about 10 minutes. I think it took me longer to drag the tools out than it did to fix it. All right. Good luck.